Okay, so we have this was question 2, this will be question 3, or and I'll just add one more page. Yep. And this I'll choose for red. Find the derivative of x times mod of x. Does f double prime of 0 exist? So this is question number 3. F of x is x, magnitude of x, and f double prime of x we need to calculate. So first I'll just go with this solution only because um, it is a piecewise function. So now f of x is magnitude of x, and this will be equal to so for magnitude terms we have like two conditions. One is that the value inside magnitude is positive, the other one is that value inside the magnitude term is negative. So for magnitude of x we'll have two conditions. If x is greater than 0, then this will magnitude of x will be positive x. If x is less than 0, then magnitude of x will be minus of x. So for this function, when x is also multiplied here, so for x is greater than 0, this will be x square. For x less than 0, this is minus x square, and this will be for negative condition. Now we are going to find the derivative. So for this derivative, what we'll do is that we'll go for um, limits condition. So first we'll go from right hand side and then we'll go from left hand side. So no, first here they are coming from um, this yeah, so they are coming from right hand side and then they are converging from left hand side. So I'll just go with that. So f of 0 from right side is limit x approaching to 0. This will be f of x minus f of 0 over x minus uh, 0. Then this will be this is going to be the first function, which is x square. So this will be limit x approaching to 0, x square over x. This x and x will get cancelled, and this will become limit x approaching to 0 of x. I can just put the value and I will get this as 0. So suppose this is the number line, this is the point 0. So earlier we were coming from here, now we'll go from here. So for f prime of 0 from left hand side, I'll write limit x approaching to 0, again f of x minus f of 0 over x minus 0. This will be f of x now will be minus of x square, so this will be minus of x square. F of 0 will be 0 minus 0, limit x approaching to 0, and then x minus 0, and it will be limit x approaching to 0. This will be minus of x square over x. Again I can cancel this x, and after putting the limit I will get this as minus of 0. It is nothing but 0 only. So both the values are equal, and since f prime of 0 from left and f prime of 0 from right is equal to 0, we say that the function is differentiable at x equal to 0 and f prime of 0 is 0. In the interval of 0 to infinite, in the interval of this is, yeah, so this is minus infinity to 0, f prime of x is minus 2x, and in the interval of 0 to plus infinity, f prime of x is 2x. So since we know that f prime of 0 is 0, f double prime of 0 will also be 0, like that is true. So if f prime of 0 is 0, then if we again differentiate this, then again like 0 is a constant. So if the differentiation constant is 0, so this will be again 0. So the solution given here is correct, and I'll just write correct solution. Good work.